Imagine getting a brand new Korean fridge for just 14,999 Kenyan shillings. Crazy, right? Well, K-Elec is making that happen. Introducing the K-Elec 90-liter fridge, compact, energy-efficient powerhouse designed for modern living. It is a single-door design with a practical freezer section, adjustable glass shelves for flexible storage, vegetable crisper drawer for fresh produce, and an adjustable thermostat for precise temperature control with an energy-efficient compressor for lower power consumption. And here is the best part. You get a 10-year warranty on the compressor and a 3-year warranty on the fridge because we believe in quality you can trust. Order yours today via our Kilimall and Jumia official stores or call this number to place your order. K-Elec, Korean Tech, Kenyan Trust.